closed today with Quality Properties. What I will tell you is it was an amazing experience. It's very seamless, very professional. It took us less than 2 weeks to close. We had trouble with the property, trying to sell it, and this company came in and got it done in less than 2 weeks. I highly recommend them if you have a property that you need to sell. Everything was seamless and flawless. One of the best closing experiences of my life. Thank you.